If you find your Spotify account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, email address, and any notifications you receive regarding the restriction. This information will be essential for your appeal. Step 2. Visit the Spotify support page. Go to the official Spotify support website. Look for the section dedicated to account issues or restrictions, as this will provide you with the necessary resources to start your appeal. Step 3. Submit a contact form. Locate the contact form for account issues. Fill out the form with your gathered information, clearly explaining your situation and why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Be concise and polite in your message. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Spotify. They may request additional information or provide updates on the status of your appeal. Be sure to check your spam folder as well. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with Spotify's support team. Provide any additional information they may need and reiterate your request for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Spotify. Good luck!